Want to borrow a book from the library but don't know how to ask? No worries. I'll teach you all the phrases and questions you need.
English by Miko.
Hi there. Welcome to the City Library. Is this your first time here?
Hello. Yes, it is. It looks really nice here.
Thanks. Are you here to read, study, or borrow a book?
I'd like to borrow a few books, but honestly, I'm not sure how it works. Can you help me?
Of course. First, do you have a library card?
No, I don't. How can I get one?
It's simple. You just need to fill out this form and show me a valid ID, like a passport or student card.
Okay, here's my ID.
Thank you. What's your name and email address?
My name is Liam Carter. My email is liam.carter@email.com.
Great! Your card will be ready in a few minutes. While you wait, what kind of books are you interested in?
I like books about history and travel. Also, do you have any easy English novels? I'm learning the language.
Yes! We have a special section for graded readers, books written for English learners. They're on shelf B3.
Awesome. Do you have any easy English novels?
Yes, some of them come with CDs or online audio links. Just look for the headphone symbol on the cover.
Great tip. How many books can I borrow at once?
You can borrow up to 5 books at a time. The borrowing period is 14 days.
What if I need more time?
You can renew the books one time, online, by phone, or here at the front desk.
And what if I lose a book?
If you lose a book, you'll need to pay for a replacement copy. But don't worry, that doesn't happen often.
Got it. Can I also borrow magazines or DVDs?
Yes, you can borrow magazines, DVDs, and even audiobooks. Just remember, DVDs are only for 7 days.
Cool. Is there a quiet area where I can study?
Yes, we have a study room on the second floor. It's very quiet and has free Wi-Fi.
Nice. Is food allowed in the library?
Sorry, no food or drinks near the books. But we do have a cafe downstairs.
Sounds perfect. Can I use a computer here?
Absolutely. We have computers for public use. You just need to log in with your library card number.
Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
Anytime. Let me know if you have more questions. Enjoy your reading.